I'm Cassandra, and I'm from the Songbird house at Mount Hatton. I've started living here from the 28th of August. Living with Songbird is fantastic. My goal is to live as independent as I can. I showered myself this morning and I was really proud of myself. Every Wednesday I do social games of bocce. It's quite a thinking game. I'm very cheeky. Like when they say how do you sleep, and I come back with my eyes shut. I love to make hamburgers. The staff are here when I need it, but I'm self-sufficient. Don't think for a second that it's for you, but it is for you, 'cause if you love living with other people, just go for it.